Let's discuss advanced survival gadgets. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Wubin E1 EDC Mini Flashlight, a pocket-sized powerhouse designed to light up your life with style and versatility. This compact, rechargeable LED flashlight delivers up to 300 lumens of brightness, perfect for any situation, whether you're taking selfies, recording videos, camping, or dealing with emergencies. With its 3 adjustable light modes, warm, natural, and cool tones, it ensures you always have the perfect lighting, from enhancing your selfies to illuminating the darkest paths. Plus, its magnetic base and MagSafe compatible design allow you to attach it to your phone or any metal surface effortlessly. Lightweight yet durable, it fits snugly in your pocket or purse, making it an essential companion for daily adventures. Never let darkness dim your shine. Pros: portable and lightweight, easy to carry anywhere. 3 light modes offer versatility for selfies, work, or emergencies. Magnetic design doubles as a phone stand and flashlight holder. USB Type-C rechargeable for convenience on the go. Cons: works best with MagSafe compatible phones or cases. Max brightness of 300 lumens may not suit the heavy-duty needs. Next, Fire Wand Survival Tool, your ultimate campfire companion. This paraffin wax-infused hemp rope ignites effortlessly with just a spark, giving you a flame that lasts up to 3 hours cumulatively. Rain or shine, wind or calm, this fire starter gets the job done when matches can't. Adjust the flame size or extinguish it safely by retracting the rope into its tube. It's fire control at your fingertips. Whether you're lighting a campfire, navigating dark trails, or just need a reliable emergency tool, the Fire Wand is your new best friend outdoors. Pros: easy to ignite and long-lasting burn time. Works in wind and rain, ensuring reliability in bad weather. Compact, lightweight, and reusable for multiple uses. Cons: requires a ferro rod or flint and steel to ignite. May need fluffing at the wick end for effective lighting. Next, Bird Rock Home Folding Emergency. Snow shovel becomes your savior. With its lightweight yet durable aluminum design, this compact tool extends up to 34 inches, letting you tackle snow, mud, or sand with ease. It's collapsible, meaning it fits neatly into your car, ATV, or backpack, ready for any unexpected adventure or survival scenario. Whether you're skiing in the mountains, camping in the wilderness, or just navigating icy roads, this shovel is your all-season ally. Pros: lightweight and portable, perfect for travel. Durable aluminum construction handles tough conditions. Foldable design makes it easy to store and carry. Cons: compact size might not be ideal for heavy-duty snow removal, limited to smaller tasks due to its lightweight build. Next, Electric Water Purifier Survival in your pack. This high-tech portable purifier boasts a 5-stage filtration system that removes 99.999% of impurities, ensuring safe hydration wherever you roam. With its powerful motor, it pumps up to 700 milliliters per minute, purifying enough water for your whole group. Plus, it's rechargeable via solar panels or portable batteries, making it an eco-friendly companion for long trips. Weighing just 12 ounces, it's easy to carry, and the built-in emergency light is perfect for nighttime use. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing for emergencies, this purifier is your lifeline to clean, fresh water. Pros: advanced filtration ensures safe, drinkable water. Lightweight and portable design for easy travel. Rechargeable through multiple sources, including solar power. Emergency light for nighttime functionality. Cons: relies on a charged battery for operation. May require filter replacements over time. That's awesome, bro. Next, Fuel Bar USB Type-C lighter. A sleek, modern solution for all your lighting needs. This electric rechargeable lighter features a long, flexible neck that bends into hard-to-reach places, making it perfect for lighting candles, stoves, or even fireworks. Its windproof design ensures reliable performance, whether indoors or outdoors. With a USB-C charging port and a handy LED battery display, you'll always know when it's ready to use. Plus, the safety lock gives you peace of mind, while the flameless operation keeps things clean and convenient. From BBQs to cozy candlelit evenings, this lighter sparks joy with every use. Pros: rechargeable via USB-C, no more disposable lighters, windproof and reliable even in tough conditions. Flexible neck for precise and versatile use. LED battery indicator for easy monitoring. Cons: requires charging, not ideal for prolonged use without power access. Plastic build may feel less premium to some users. Next, hook and loop straps with metal buckles. A versatile, reusable, and adjustable solution for organizing your life. With 16 feet of durable nylon straps, these cut-to-length cinch ties are a game changer for bundling cables, securing camping gear, or even DIY crafts. Just thread the strap through the sturdy metal metal buckle, cut it to your desired length, and fasten it. No tools required. These straps can handle up to 50 pounds, making them ideal for heavy-duty tasks like holding hoses, skis, or bike racks. Whether you're tidying up indoors or tackling outdoor projects, this organizer's adaptability is unmatched. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to effortless organization. Pros: fully customizable length for any task. Strong metal buckles ensure a secure hold. Durable, reusable, and eco-friendly. Suitable for both light and heavy-duty use. Cons: non-adhesive straps may require extra steps for DIY crafts. Cutting the straps to size may be inconvenient for quick fixes. Next, Garmin InReach Mini 2. You're never truly alone. This pocket-sized powerhouse offers global satellite coverage, enabling two-way text messaging and even interactive SOS alerts through the Iridium satellite network. Whether you're scaling mountains or trekking through dense forests, the rugged, lightweight design keeps you connected, while features like trackback routing and a digital compass ensure you'll always find your way back. With up to 14 days of battery life in tracking mode, this flame red lifesaver is the ultimate companion for adventurers. Plus, bundled accessories like USB cables and a portable charger make it adventure-ready right out of the box. Pros: global satellite coverage for remote communication. Rugged and lightweight design, perfect for extreme environments. SOS feature ensures safety with 24/7 monitoring. Long battery life for extended trips. Cons: requires a subscription plan for satellite services. Small screen size may limit user interface convenience. Next, EF EcoFlow Portable Power Station Delta 2, the ultimate solution for portable energy. With an impressive 1024 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, it charges 7 times faster than competitors, reaching 80% in just 50 minutes. Its 1800 watt AC output powers nearly all your appliances, while clean solar compatibility keeps things green. Lightweight yet robust, it features 15 outlets to handle everything from charging phones to running power tools. Plus, its 3,000+ cycle lifespan ensures years of dependable service. Ready for emergencies or epic outdoor escapes, Delta 2 is your new power ally. Pros: charges in just 50 minutes to 80%. Scales up to 3 kilowatt hours for extended use. Supports up to 500 watt solar input. LFP battery ensures 3,000+ cycles for long life. Has 15 outlets for a wide range of devices and appliances. Cons: heavier than some portable power stations, 27 pounds. Solar panels are optional and sold separately. Next, Überleben Fire Kit Survival Fire Starter Kit is the ultimate companion for adventurers, campers, and survival enthusiasts. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need to spark a flame. An ergonomic Hex-O ferro rod that delivers blazing 5,500-degree Fahrenheit sparks, a durable ambi striker for efficient ignition, and the Tindor Wick and bellow for a steady, long-lasting flame. Plus, the Tindor teepee birch kindling ensures your fire starts quickly and burns bright. Compact, lightweight, and weatherproof. Pros: produces high-temperature sparks to ignite fires in any weather condition. Includes a 1-hour burning wick and efficient bellow for easy fire maintenance. Compact design fits easily in your backpack or pocket. Birch kindling offers quick, steady ignition with a 3-minute burn time. Durable and weatherproof. Perfect for wet or dry environments. Cons: learning to use the striker effectively might take practice for beginners. Small size may require extra kindling for larger fires. Next, emergency glow. Sticks with 12 hours duration are your ultimate companion in situations where reliable light is crucial. Whether you're facing a power outage, camping in the wilderness, or preparing for an emergency, these glow sticks will shine bright, offering 360 degrees of illumination for up to 12 hours. The ultra-bright glow is visible from over a mile away, making it perfect for signaling or just lighting up your environment in dark times. Waterproof, non-toxic, and built to last, they're designed to withstand the elements, keeping you prepared when it matters most. Pros: ultra bright glow, visible from up to a mile away, provides 12 hours of continuous illumination. Waterproof, non-toxic, and durable, perfect for extreme conditions. Easy to store with a long shelf life, ideal for emergencies, camping, or outdoor adventures. Cons: limited to a single use, so you may need to stock up if using frequently. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.